baby love! So for this vlog, ang pag-uusap is Niye Humidifier. Ayan po siya guys. And may dalawang essential oil. This one is lemon essential oil. And this one is lavender essential oil. 10 ml po sila. Okay? Ang sabi dito is, with meticulous care, research to manufacture nature formula. So, sa kabila is, babasahin ko lang, the so-called essential oils, Gia plant extract from the flowers, leaves, seeds, bark, roots, and other volatile substance and aromatic plants immunization, repair systems, and sense. Okay. Ang expiration date is 2023-08-24. Ayan. 2023-08-24. Okay. Sa kabila naman is same. Same naman yung expiration date. And yung plant essential oil dito. Ayan. Same lang po sila. So, bubuksan ko lang yung lemon essential oil. Ito. Ayan. Ito po siya guys. Ayan. Tapos, open natin. Amoy lemon guys. Amoy na amoy yung lemon. Amoy na amoy siya. Okay, ang caution, ideal fragrance oil, not an essential oil, avoid contact with eyes. Ayan, avoid po natin sa eyes. Skin or open flame. Oils may damage furniture, fabric, or plastic. Ayan. Amoy na amoy yung lemon. Super bango, guys. Super bango ng essential oil nito, guys. And then, buksan natin yung lavender. Ayan siya, guys. Yung lavender. Ayan. So, open natin. Ayan. Ay, my God. Ayan. Okay lang yan. Amoy na amoy yung lavender, guys. Super. Mas mabango to. Amoy na amoy. Amoy na amoy. And then, after that, the essential oil, open natin yung humidifier. Ayan. Ano bang meron dito sa humidifier? Okay. Taran! Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, ito pala. Baliktad. Baliktad siya, guys. So, ayan. Ayan. Ito yung saksakan. Ayan. Kasi may cord. Ayan, guys. Ayan. And then, ito yung on. Ayan. Siguro ito na yung on and off. Kasi mayroong another saksakan ulit. Ayan. Tapos dito yung lalabas yung usok. Okay. Tapos, open natin. Ayan. Dito natin ilalagay yung alkaline water. Pag nalagay natin yung alkaline water, ilalagay na natin yung essential oil. Ayan, dito. Depende sa'yo kung ilang patak ang essential oil na gusto mong ilagay. Okay, tapos takpan. After takpan, ayan na, uusok na siya. Okay, ito yung cord for this humidifier. Is user manual. Okay, ito yung input port ng USB. Yan. Ang spray time is 6 hours. Ang product weight, 100 grams to 140 gram. Ang water capacity is 220 ml to 400 ml. Okay, ang product size is 80, 80, 103 mm. Basta, 88, 80, 80 to 148 mm. So, I don't know what's that. Lightning time, always light on if power on. Ayan. Sabi, ang lighting time, always light on if power on. Okay? So, yung operation details is spray operation, connect with power supply, first light, press the button. Ayan, press the button the first time to start, continue spray. And then, press the button the second time to start, intermittent spray. Then, spray for second and stop 6 seconds. Press the button the third time to power off. Parang hindi ko gets. Okay? And then, lightning operating. Long press the button for 3 seconds to turn on. And then, 7 color light. Long press the button for 3 seconds again to turn off 7 color light. So, may lightning operating pala to, guys. And then, regular model is default set to turn off each 3.5 hours. Taller model is default set to turn off each 5 hours. It can restart work by pressing the button. Ayan. Ito pa rin ata yung pipindutin eh. Wala ka nang pipindutin pa, kundi ito lang. Okay? So, ito yung step presentation. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So, sabi, open the cover clockwise. Ayan. Clockwise. Then, add purified water or tap water. Pwede sa gripper, sa gripo, o pwede sa iniinom natin. Okay? Mas maganda sa gripo na lang. Okay? And then, plug USB. Ito yung USB, yung port. And then, click the button to turn on the spray mode. Ito, guys. Okay. So, open lang natin to yung humidifier na pa-clockwise. Then, buksan natin to. Take out the road tube. So, ito yung road tube. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, kung gusto natin palitan, ayan, re-replace natin ng panibago ng road tube. Ayan. Sasara natin ulit. Ayan. Tapos, sara natin ulit. Ayan. Ganon. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede ba ito linisan or what. O, hindi ko alam kung saan ito binibili. Okay? So, yan. So, dahil tatlo siya, nasa sayo yan kung gusto nyo linisan. Okay? Mas magandang linisan nyo na lang. Okay? So, ayan. Ay, sorry. So, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye! Mwah!